Now let me define about self conjugate element. Okay, any element is said to be a self conjugate if its class conjugate class contains only itself, only contains only one element, and that is itself. Okay, uh, suppose conjugate class of E is singleton E, and conjugate class of A is E. Here E and E here E and E are self conjugate elements of G. Okay, because it remains commutes with each element of the group. Here is well E also. Okay, so if G is abelian, then each element of group corresponds to each element of group. The conjugate class contains only itself, only that member. Okay, whose conjugate class is going to be find out. Okay, here we are finding the conjugate class of A, and it contains only singleton A. Conjugate class E, it contains only singleton E. So similarly, each element, if G is abelian, then each element has its own conjugate class. Okay, and so the order of conjugate class equation of a group which is abelian, 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to uh, n times, where n is order of group. Okay, so if a class equation of, if the class conjugate class of A contains only A, same as saying that, means equivalent to say that this A is a member of the center of the group. If any element which belongs to the center of the group, that which same as saying that its conjugate class contains only itself. Okay, and so we can also define in other words as a set of all the self conjugate elements of any group is called the center of the group, means it's called the group ZG. Okay, set of, this is also a result, set of all self conjugates elements, set of all self conjugate elements of G is called the center of G, denoted as, which is usually known as ZG. Here Z is not defined for integer. Here Z is center of G, means largest abelian group contained in the group. Okay, if group is abelian, then this is same as group ZG equal G. If G is abelian, that is also an if and only if condition. Okay, so now let us take an example to understand the conjugate class very well. Okay, let us take the example. uh, let me take K4. Oh yeah, K4. Let me delete K4. Why? Because K4 is an abelian and its conjugate equation will remain 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 4 times, because K4 whose order is 4 and each element remains as abelian. K4 is an abelian and each element commutes with e- each element commutes with each other in a group. Okay, so conjugate class of each element is singleton, so that let us take S3. Okay, let us take S3, symmetric group of degree 3. Okay, which contains identity 1 to 1 3, 1 1 to 1 3, 2 3, 2 3, and now 1 2 3, 1 3 2, and this is my symmetric group of degree 3. Okay, now let me take here x inverse ix. Okay, this x is what? Each element of an S3. Okay, let me firstly let me take x equal I. Okay, then I inverse I, that I is what? Identity element of S3. Okay, now let me take x equal 1 2, x equal 1 2, then 1 2 to inverse identity 1 2. Okay, and this becomes 2 1, because 1 2's inverse is 2 1, and this is identity and this is 1 2, and this remains what? 2 1 पे 1 1 पे 1 2 पे 2 2 पे. Okay, 1 2 पे 2 1 पे 1 identity. Okay, and let me take here x equal 1 3, and then this becomes 1 3 1 3 to power in minus 1, means 1 3 is inverse identity and 1 3, and this can be written like this 3 1, because 1 3's inverse is 3 1. This will be rotate, reversed, sorry, reversed. Okay, and 1 3, and now 3 1 पे 1 1 पे 1 3 पे 3 3 पे. Okay, 3 3 पे means identity, 1 3 पे 3 3 पे 3 1 पे 1, this means identity. Okay, similarly, you whenever you will get x equal to 3, you will also get identity. Okay, so identity is a self conjugate element, because conjugate class of identity is identity. Okay, so conjugate class of identity is identity. Definition of conjugate class is all those elements, all, all those elements which x inverse ex such that x belong G. Okay, E is also belong to G. Okay, but here x is arbitrary for every x in G. Okay, this is the definition of the conjugate class. Okay, so apply this definition and also find the conjugate class of 1 2. Now let us uh, find the conjugate class of 1 2. Okay, conjugate class of 1 2 means x inverse 1 to x such that for every x in G. Okay, since we find that conjugate class of identity is singleton identity, because each case we get identity. Now here, see here, x inverse, firstly let me take x equal identity, then identity inverse 1 to identity is 1 2. Now let me take x equal 1 2, 1 2 to inverse 1 2, 1 2 same as 1 2. Now let me take 1 3, 1 2. Here I choose x equal 1 3. Okay, so x inverse 1 to x, and that is what? This becomes 3 1 1 2 1 3. Okay, and 3 1 पे 3 3 1 पे 1 2 पे 2 2 पे 3 2 पे 2 2 पे 2 1 पे 2 2 पे 2 1 पे 1 3 पे 2 3 पे. Okay, and 1 3 पे 3 3 पे 3 1 पे 3 2. Okay, this becomes 3 2, and similarly we get 2 3 or 3 3 2 or 2 3. Okay, similarly we get others as well. Okay, so the class equation of 1 2 is, whenever you find it, this becomes 1 2 2 3 1 3. Okay, similarly class equation of 1 2 3 is 1 2 3 1 3 2. So S3 is the union of three conjugate classes. Okay, S3 is union of conjugate class of identity, union conjugate class of 1 2, union conjugate class of 1 2 3. Because conjugate class of 1 2 3 and conjugate class of 1 3 2 is same. Similarly, conjugate class of 1 2 1 3 or 2 3 is same this. Okay, please find it, please find it. Okay, now uh, put order both side, put order both side. Now whenever you put here order, this union will converted into sum. Okay, so conjugate class of identity plus conjugate class of 1 2, conjugate class of 1 2 3. Okay, and this order is 1 and order of conjugate class of 1 2 is 3. Okay, so here is 3, it's 2, so 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, so this is the conjugate class of S3, conjugate class equation of S3. This is the way to find out the class equation. Okay, and I define it by taking an example S3. Okay, similarly you take another, you should also take some abelian groups and find out their conjugate question. Okay, find out some non-abelian, but almost he will ask you the question about non-abelian group rather than the abelian group. Okay, because there are 95% chances to construct question based on non-abelian groups. Okay, because the class equation of an abelian group is what, 1 plus 1 up to n times, where n is the order of the group. Okay,